Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Entitled Women Think They Own the Casino, Start Fighting Everyone by Cops and Karens.
What?
Oh yeah, you going to jail. Yo, ass going to jail.
Early one morning, a routine removal of a group turns into a moment of violence.
She did not do shit.
All right, guys, they don't want you here.
I didn't do nothing to them.
I know.
Who do I talk to about that, though, baby?
They don't want you. They just don't want you here.
Well, who do I talk to about that? Y'all just let me do that? I'm losing $4,800.
What point do they have? No reason, no point.
You know it's your private property. If
That's
they don't want you,
bogus.
they don't want you.
Hey, baby, that's bogus as hell. Who do I talk to about them, though?
You just gotta go
So
online.
y'all, you just let them win, right?
No, I ain't let nobody win.
Come on now. Come on. That shit bogus when I'm losing money.
Let's go. Get your money. Let's go.
Ain't no just get my money and just go when I'm losing $4,800, bro.
I know. You came here to play. You gotta lose.
What about them? They mad at another motherfucker. I don't got nothing to do with what they talking about anyway.
You got your people telling you, let's go.
Baby, I don't got nothing to do with what they talking about. They mad because I won. Listen.
Is that Shamar?
This dude pays
Well,
count.
leave them on me. I don't need you.
Your money.
Thank you.
I'm gone.
I don't need no motherfucker. What I'm trying to tell you, they bogus as hell.
Let's calm down.
Y'all can't keep doing that. Y'all can't keep letting no motherfucker that's bogus as hell. So why you doing it? Why is you doing it?
Ma'am, let's go.
Why is you letting your, cause he work here, get down on me when I ain't did no wrong
They
to
don't
him?
want you here, so let's go.
But he disrespected me. I wasn't even playing no
Let's go
game.
online and then
Oh my God, just leave already. God damn, bro. What's so hard about leaving some place that you don't own? Like, what's so hard about that?
do a complaint.
Ain't no online when I'm here. So where I talk to while I'm right here?
We can't talk to nobody.
No. You ain't gonna tell me that. I can talk to whoever I'm here at this facility.
Yep, she going to jail.
Let's leave.
I should be able to talk
Stop
to the
yelling
manager.
at me. I'm not yelling at you.
Just talk. This dude pays
What the
count.
manager?
Let's leave.
I want to talk to whoever owns this bitch.
Let's go.
I know my rights, baby. I know my rights.
Here we go.
My motherfucking mama is the
you just
motherfucking
too close
state
to my
representative
face.
here. My mama is state representative.
And you acting like this?
Let's go.
Ain't no let's
Let's
go
go
outside.
outside.
I'm gonna get my bread. Out somewhere.
Can you guys catch her out so we can leave?
In the door they is. But y'all not gonna tell me that. They could be racist to me and do shit to me. I wanna press charges. So let me, what the
She didn't do
paperwork?
nothing wrong.
What the paperwork? I wanna press charges.
We'll do it outside.
I call the police. I wanna press it here. It happened here. It happened here. No, I'm not going outside. I'm not going outside.
Yeah, I already know where this is going.
I wanna do it here.
And she drunk as hell.
I don't wanna go outside. No, it happened here.
Get your money. Get your
It's
money.
him.
Just get your
That's why I like gambling on ships.
Hey, look, it's against him. I don't wanna go outside.
Get your money.
I don't wanna go outside. It's against him.
Is that all her money?
I ain't going outside though.
You gotta leave, man.
I'm not. I'm pressing charges against him.
For what?
Why do I gotta go outside?
Cause they asking you to leave. Shh, come on now.
Cause he pushed me.
Are you stupid? Are you slow?
He pushed me. And he disrespecting me. Why do I gotta go outside? Tell me the reason why I
They
gotta
don't
go.
want you here.
Okay?
He had to push her though, cause ain't nobody just finna be that raw though for nothing.
Because he the one. I don't want to call the
You guys
police.
can go. And
I called the
complain
police
against
first.
them. They didn't call the police. They called the police. Ma'am, just get your stuff and let's go.
Being disrespectful.
Y'all that be bogus as hell. Y'all don't care.
Let's go.
You gotta go or you're gonna get
What's
arrested.
the shot? You know this is the
Get arrested for
The
what?
trespassing. They don't want you here.
I said I want to press charges.
Trust me.
I called the
We can
police.
talk about it.
Let's go. Let's do it outside.
Just talk.
You can't press charges when they called the police first, babe. You lost that battle already.
That's walk.
Let's
That's
go outside.
wrong. Sometimes you just gotta walk shit off.
Let's go. Let's do it outside.
No matter what.
Yep. Let's do it outside.
Also, me. Oh, because he work here. Oh, because he
You
work
just
here.
being too touchy right now. Let's
They
go.
call all type of
Let's go. Let's go. You can file complaint.
That's a bitch too though.
All right, then let's get the out of here. Then.
Okay.
Get the out of here. Let's go.
I said I want to press charges.
Let's go.
Hold on. Let me
Let's
put
go
this shit on
outside.
camera.
Hey, we get
Why won't you just leave?
Go outside. We're not gonna stay here all day.
I'm gonna get my money. I'm getting my
You
money.
got your money already. You got your shit already.
Stop pinching
Let's
me, y'all.
go.
Hey,
He tired of your
stop
shit.
pinching me. Y'all some-
Let's
Stop
go.
touching me. Stop pinching
Let's
my
go.
skin.
I know nobody's picturing your shit. Let's
Yes,
go.
you will.
And y'all ass racist as fuck.
Let's get the out of here then.
I don't get no y'all prejudice as hell. Y'all ass prejudice. Let me go. I'm walking out.
Just walk down.
Man, you ain't walked out in the last 4 minutes that he been talking. He didn't get you like 3 minutes, about 50 seconds, bro. Like, you ain't got the fuck out.
I ain't nobody picturing your shit.
Yes, you will.
Let's go.
Y'all ass.
Let's go.
Let her go.
So let me
Put
go.
your hands behind the back. You take it right now.
Oh.
So what she go?
I ain't do nothing.
Staying over there. Stop right there. You know that?
I left out.
Of course she knows. She willing to go to jail with her.
So okay, so let her go.
Go over there.
Let her go.
Oh.
Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go.
What's up?
Let her go. Let her go.
Oh.
Let her go.
Whoa, was it worth it?
Let me go. Let me go.
Like 120 pounds trying to fight a grown man. That's crazy.
Let me go. Let her go, man.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not,
Put your hands behind the back. Put your hands behind. Put your hands
I'm
behind.
not doing nothing.
You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I'm right
Put
here.
your behind. Put your hands behind your back.
Let her
I'm surprised he ain't threw her to the ground. I ain't gonna lie to you. They probably was super valid in how they felt, but when they was asked to leave, baby, you gotta leave.
Let her go. Let her go. Let
Damn, she had a wig on.
her go. Let her the go. Cause they ain't doing shit. She ain't doing
Bald headed host.
shit.
Put your fucking hand behind your back. I'm gonna take you to the ground.
I'm not doing nothing, baby. I'm not disrespecting you. That's my little.
Let me get your other hand. Let me get your other hand.
Nah, you wanna be nice. You had every chance to leave.
Y'all ass arrest her for what? These ass a bitch.
You guys got arrested because they asked you over and over and over and over again to leave. And y'all wanted to press the issue about them being racist. They call you B words and H words. And all of that was probably true. But if the cops ask you to leave, it's time to go. No matter what happened or what you think may happen. You get what I'm saying? You guys put yourself into this predicament because that's what you wanted to do. You guys wanted to go to jail. Especially little the nutcracker over here. She need to go to a mental hospital because, like, what was the point of throwing water at a cop? Like, what did you think was gonna happen?
Let me the fuck go. Let me go.
Some people want to go to jail, and she got alopecia.
Y'all ass racist. Record us, Chico.
6-1.
Yeah, please record that. She got a bald head.
Two in custody. Yeah, I got it.
I ain't moving away from him. I'm talking to my friend right here. I'm talking to him. He right there.
All right, I'm gonna take your money. Put it in. Look.
No, don't my money. Please don't.
All right, you come. Both come with us.
See, you notice the women always the ones that's acting crazy. The men just be sitting back chilling like, shh.
Y'all ass,
Let's walk over there.
y'all ass racist. You touch me, you kick me, or do anything. Yo, bitch ass going down. Y'all ass some
You already down. I suggest you just shut up already.
All right, we're gonna lift you up, man. All
y'all
right.
ass. Y'all ass.
Look at that hair. I would have tried to put it back on there just to piss her off even more.
Y'all ass. Get my shit. I don't care. Y'all ass racist as fuck. Y'all ass racist.
Where's your car? You wanna go to your car?
Y'all ass racist.
I'm not running from you,
Go
sir.
to the car.
Why didn't the men get arrested? Because I'm pretty sure if they would have told the men to go, the men probably would have just said, all right, let's roll.
We're going to the car. We're going to the car.
It's always the women.
All right, we told you get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
And it don't be just the black women. It be the white women too. It be, well, sometimes the men be tripping too, but it be all ethnicities, white, black, Hispanic. It don't matter.
All right, stay the back here. Okay, go. Get her purse. What else? You want to give him your money?
No, hell no.
All right.
What I do
No, that shit gonna be gone.
to you?
All right. Trespass.
What I do?
Trespass.
Damn, that's crazy. She say, look, you can get my purse, but you can't get my money.
I ain't do shit. I'm going to jail for trespass. No, let's walk down here. No.
You're not gonna tell me where the fuck to go.
Record it, bro.
I ain't got no phone.
My phone in that phone in that car. No, record it.
Stay the fuck
He mad as hell.
right here. What?
I didn't do shit to you.
What? Stuff you
I
resisted.
didn't do shit. I'm not resisting. What I do to you?
You guys just had to leave. Why you guys
She look like South Park Shawty.
trying to do
We
actual shit?
did.
No, you didn't.
But
You still were
but
drinking,
we
my
didn't
guy.
do- I don't get no, cause y'all ass being racist. Let me watch.
Oh god, she's drunk. She's hammered.
Go over here.
Okay. Stop strong argument. Yo, bitch ass. Let me stop strong argument. Time back.
Get her.
Let me the f Go.
This is how my 5-year-old acts.
Just gotta make sure you got no weapons.
I ain't got no come out weapon in.
Just relax.
Bitch, son, y'all ass bitches. Come.
Why you locking me up?
Get in the fucking car.
Why you
She dumb.
locking me up?
I would not want to go out with these two ever again.
No.
Trespassing.
Hey, that's one thing about me. If we hanging out and you get arrested, you ain't got to worry about us being out together no more because I don't got time for that shit. I be chilling.
Get in the car.
Damn.
Alright, gonna go that way?
You locking me down. You locked me on the floor.
Stand up. Stand the fuck up.
Damn. She like, damn, you ain't got to do it like that, sir.
Come on, I'll get in. You don't got to do that.
Get the fuck in.
I'm getting in. You didn't tell me to.
Get in.
This woman was cited for misdemeanor trespass and disorderly conduct.
She gonna shut up talking to me. For real.
The other woman was charged with a felony count of aggravated battery to a peace officer and
Ooh, that you dumb as hell for that.
brought to a Cook County courthouse for a detention hearing. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Ooh, that's gonna be a good one. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, share button as well. See you guys for the last premiere on Deuce Live Clips right after this one. And that's it, baby. Out.